Hello, today I will be sharing with you guys my experience with this beauty product I have right here. Beauty slash hygiene, I guess. As you guys can see, this is the brand Pond's. It is a very well known brand, and I'm sure you guys have seen it maybe like at a drugstore or something. It's very well known. It's been around for a very long time. What I have here is a cold cream cleanser. And this is meant for being a moisturizer as well as makeup remover primarily. You know, removes your makeup, and it's meant for removing all makeup, eyeshadow, foundation, eyebrow pomade, and it does definitely work on mascara as well. Right here, this is a 6.1 ounce one, and it does come in a plastic container. This is the bottom size. It has like a little curvy shape. This is the top lid. It has a little flower. Go. I'll open this up. So it is. As you guys can see, this is fairly new. This is my second one that I've gone through. I've known about this product personally for about I want to say a year and a half, and it lasted me basically the whole year and a half. The other one, I just got this maybe a month ago, and I'm definitely gonna stick with this for a while. It's so good. The results are not only good, it just leaves my skin feeling so smooth personally to what it's made for, and along with me just getting a little bit of extra smoothness on my skin. Sorry about that. So this is 50% moisturizer, just so you guys know. And the back does name the ingredients right here. And here are some things that I actually love about it. It's hypoallergenic, sorry about that. It's suitable for sensitive skin, won't clog pores, and it's dermatologist tested. What it means by suitable for sensitive skin is because I know some of you may know that there's like two types basically, which is oily and dry skin, and then there's a combination skin, which is the one I have, and my skin is very combinated. And I've spoken to someone who has oily skin and says definitely still use this product. It does not have grease residue or anything like that. It's a really awesome product, and it also doesn't clog pores. So not only does it like take off your makeup, but as it's cleaning it, it like moisturizes it, and it does not clog it up. It's not like it goes deep in there and just causes acne or anything like that. Definitely doesn't. I've never had this product cause me to be greasy or dry or have acne or any other like redness or rashes, anything like that. Of course, if maybe you find out you're allergic to it, may be a little different, but like I said, it does have the ingredients and everything. It is dermatologist tested, so it's definitely something that has been said it's good for your skin. So the way I found out about this was my mom actually recommended it to me, and as an older person, she said she absolutely loved it. Of course, it doesn't, wipe away your blemishes, but she definitely said it made her skin look so much younger, meaning just the smoothness of it, and it helped like the texture of it. This is not meant for blemishes, but it definitely helped her skin be a little bit more smooth and just, more vibrant overall. So I definitely recommend this for all ages. I am in my early 20s, so, it worked for me. I know other younger girls have used it, like younger cousins, like in their teenage years, definitely love it. And my mom, she loves it, who's in her 30s. And so definitely recommend this for all ages. Never had a problem with it. I'll show you guys a bit of how it sort of works. There we go. You guys can kind of see it is white. It's very light too, which is why I love it, because you can just grab so little and like it goes a long way just because of how light it is. It's not heavy to where let's say you grab a little too much, it won't feel heavy at all. You don't want to grab too much, but if you do, it won't feel heavy at all. It's very light and just overall a really good product for the texture that it is. Here you go. So that's it. I'll just grab a little so you guys can see it. As you can see right away, it literally goes on the skin moisturizes it and everything. Now I will be testing it to show that it does remove makeup as well. Let me wipe this off real quick. Okay. Now right here I just have mascara. And I know mascara is definitely one of the hardest things to get off with any other makeup remover, so here it is. And there you go. All gone. There's no residue. So you guys can see. Literally just went like this 2 times, and that's how it literally works on my eyes. Of course, you want to be careful when you use it on the eye. You know, just don't let it get in. Close your eye very tightly. Hold it down. But it is so easy to use. You don't have to use it a lot. Like you guys saw, I just literally used the very tip of my finger to grab that little bit of mascara, and maybe that's how much mascara you usually have on your eyelashes. So definitely recommend this. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching.